students, let's we start the next point of discovering tooth. Carter began investigating his three nested coffins. Carter started to investigate the tooth's coffin, which was covered in three boxes. In first, he found a shroud with garlands of willow and olive leaves, wild celery, lotus petals, and cornflowers. When Carter opened the first box, then he found a shroud with garland of willow. It means covered with white cloths and with wooden garland on dead body. Olive leaves and wild celery, it means a vegetable with long green and white sticks. Next, lotus petals means the leaves of lotus flowers and corn flowers, and many types of things were kept in the coffin in that time with dead body. When he reached the mummy, he ran into trouble. When Carter found the mummy in the third and last box, he faced many problems. The rutile resins had hardened, cementing tooth to the bottom of his solid gold coffin. The rutile resin means a type of liquid had applied on the body and it became the hard to the body, and Tooth's body became hard like cement and a body with gold pasted in the bottom of coffin. No amount of force could move them. Carter tried to move and put out the dead body from coffin, but it was not moved here and there. Carter tried to loosen the resin by putting the mummy in the blazing sunshine, but he failed. Carter kept the applying resin body in the sunshine and thought that perhaps the applying medicine body could be loose and soft in sunshine, but that idea was not be successful. The mummy was to be removed by a chisel. After this mummy was removed from the coffin with the help of pointed hammer. If he had not cut the mummy free, thieves would have cut it apart to remove the gold. Some people asked Carter why did his men beat that mummy with the hammer. Then Carter replied that if he did not do that, then the thief also will come and cut the mummy to take the gold. Carter's men removed the mummy's head and served almost every part and joint. And Carter's men firstly removed the head of mummy and also the all parts of the body one by one, and to give Carter, and Carter joined all parts of the body. Archaeology has changed a lot. Now the mummy of Tut had completely removed from the coffin. That's the reason archaeology means study of mummy has become hard and changed. Now it's more focusing on the fascinating details of life and intriguing mysteries of death. Now the Carter started to know the details of that time life, why, when, and how the people spent their life, and intriguing curiosity. People are depend on the life style of the ancestors. It adopts medical technology. Means Carter used medical technology for the study of Tut's mummy. Today, diagnostic imaging can be done through computed tomography or CT. Nowadays, with the help of diagnostic system, we can find the different types of image and easily to know about the dead bodies. And in this 100 of X-rays create a three-dimensional virtual body. In CT scan, head scan the 100 X-rays in 3 steps. Okay, students.